It's all about the digital experience, how customers are interfacing with your business applications and the experience they have with that application. Today's modern applications are running on hybrid distributed cloud infrastructures with complex interdependencies, making it difficult to get end-to-end visibility to identify and resolve problems. Customer expectations insist that applications perform at their best at all times. To meet that expectation costs money. You are now faced with a challenge. Focus on cost efficiency or application performance. Introducing Intersight Workload Optimizer. IWO is an application resource management platform delivered as a service with embedded analytics for your Cisco and third-party infrastructure. IWO lets you ensure great performance without increasing costs due to over-provisioning resources. Traditional monitoring tools only alert you on performance or utilization. Intersight's SaaS-based decision engine continuously analyzes workload consumption, costs, and compliance constraints, and automatically allocates resources in real time, on-prem and in the cloud. IWO's intelligence is powered by AI analytics that deliver insights and recommendations, reducing costs and ensuring application performance. Let's see it in action. This is the Intersight Workload Optimizer dashboard. We will call it IWO for short. IWO supports not only UCS and HyperFlex environments, but also third-party infrastructure. IWO connects to an on-prem and cloud environments with no agents. It delivers visibility into your full IT stack from the application down to the infrastructure, and makes decisions based on resource trade-offs of the full stack considering all your policies. It considers performance, cost, and compliance constraints by using historical and real-time data to proactively flag issues, as well as opportunities to lower costs caused by over-provisioning. IWO can pinpoint root cause of poor application performance, whether it's at the application layer, VM or container level, or deep within your storage, compute, and networking environment. These decisions can be executed both manually or automatically. Let's take a look at how IWO can help you save money and optimize your cloud environment. Along with that, I will show you how you can create policy to automate recommendations that IWO has made for your infrastructure. Let's create a cloud optimization plan. So to make a plan, we're going to go ahead and click on Optimize and Overview. Then we're going to click on Cloud. You can see an overview of your cloud supply chain. This shows the workloads running in the cloud and the relationship between your business applications and infrastructure. Now let's click on Plan. And then we're going to choose New Plan. And then we're going to say Optimize Cloud. Here we select our cloud provider, and then we do our optimization settings, and then we choose our RI inventory plan, and then we say Run Plan. This shows you a modeling scenario of how you can optimize your cloud environment. Here you can see workloads with efficiency opportunities. These could lower your cloud costs. Here you can see that on-demand compute costs. This shows savings by purchasing reserved instances. And your total costs. This shows you your overall savings per month. Let's go ahead and create a plan to migrate to the cloud. We go back to Cloud, or Plan, and then we say New Plan, and we're going to migrate to Cloud. We're going to choose some virtual machines, and then we're going to choose our group, and we're going to choose where we're going to migrate. This plan displays the cloud resources and costs associated for the VMs you want to migrate and what actions you need to take. Let's take a look at cloud cost comparison. We can see we have VMs with performance issues that can put the quality of service at risk. Here we have VMs that are underutilized and can increase cloud costs if we carry them over. Let's take a look at the cost savings. If we take IWO's advice, we will save $77 a month. The lift and shift says that this is your cost per month if you migrate VMs to the cloud instances that match their current resource allocations. Basically, it's a one-for-one. The optimized plan looks for opportunities to reduce costs and optimize performance. In this example, we can save money by taking these over-provisioned VMs and migrate them to less expensive instances, while assuring great performance. Let's go ahead and create the automation policy. You can make policies for business applications, databases, storage, network, UCS, and Hyperflex hosts, and more. Let's create a policy for virtual machines. We will name the policy Demo Policy. And then we will choose which virtual machines we're going to add to this policy. Let's create the actual policy itself. Here we're going to resize up the vCPU. And the action is going to be to run this policy automatically. Let's go ahead and add one more. We want to move them. So if there's a VM that's being overloaded, we can move it automatically. And say submit, save and apply. There you go. Now you created a policy. IT organizations must deliver application performance at the lowest possible cost. Intersight Workload Optimizer answers the question, application performance or cost efficiency? Simple, efficient, proactive. Cisco.